Hello everyone, very good evening and welcome to another session, another discussion on amazing topic. We when we were in our high school days or college days, every one of us have faced lot many problems, right? So yes, I too faced. Some of us faced. Everyone, I would say, everyone have faced some kind of problems, and we were not aware about what problems and how to deal with that, or whom to go to solve those problems. And to discuss on this topic, we have someone special today who also have faced such problems and how he grown from that situation. And yeah, I would invite our today's guest to share his story. So let's welcome our today's guest.
Hi, good evening,
Hello
Vaishali.
Pradeep, good evening and
Good evening.
welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me for this session.
Yeah, thanks for joining. And we are excited to hear from you on this topic, which is very important these days. Yeah, so I would like to hear from you that please tell about yourself and what you are doing these days.
Yeah, sure. So, Vaishali, I am a supply chain professional. I am working more than 20 years now in supply chain. I am working in a multinational company as a VP supply chain currently. But if you see my journey, you will feel ki, arey, if this person who was doing the odd job can reach to this position. And when I understand your subject on FB and when we discuss, so I thought this is something close to my heart, and I need to uh, say something about this, or I should be open up my heart here, so that it will definitely help you and the other people who are going through similar situations, right? So way back. When I was in college, 11. So let me tell you, I study in Marathi medium, vernacular medium. And coming from my Marathi medium, and you have got the admission in convent college. So it's like complete uh, change, right? So you are not able to understand what is going on, how the lecture is happening, and you're not able to cope up with that lecture. That issue was there with me. I'm not saying that will be with everyone, but the specifically for me, I got that issue,
Hmm.
and I could not resonate, or I could not have that clarity what exactly is going on. And the outcome was I was promoted in a fourth subject in 11th, and I was promoted for 12th. So I remember those that day when I show that result to my father. He saw that result and he said, "That's it. I will not be able to help you anymore for your studies." So I was like broke completely. Not don't know what is to be done next, right? And with that, there is a question mark. If you are not able to study further, how it is going to be? Like your all the other friends will be going in the next stage, and you will be like don't know what is to be done. So I was completely broke that time. But I started doing odd job, and while doing that odd job, it was very clear in my mind I am not supposed to do, or this is not what I don't want to do the rest of my life. So um, there was one advertisement in a newspaper wherein it was clearly mentioned, if you are not able to complete your 12th, and if you want to pursue your education to the next level, you will be able to do it. And the name of the university was Yashwantrao Chavan Open University. And that like click in my mind, like होता है ना bulb जल गया, something like that. अरे this is something I should be doing, or I should be trying while, if I'm able to do it while working, right? So I went there. I have got the admission. I have passed the entrance exam. With that exam, I have got the admission in first year of commerce. Then while working, I completed the graduation. After completing graduation, I thought, no, this is not enough. I need to do something else if I want to pursue my career to the next level, right? So in supply chain, so I've done diploma in material management from Wellington. Then I after doing diploma after some time, it's like diploma is people are not considering diploma nowadays. So you need to do something others, right? So I have done the graduate diploma in material management from Indian Institute of Material Management. So that helped me to grow in my career step by step. And I remember the day when I wanted to do that specialization in my IMM. So my father, who that time not supported me for my education, he said, Pradeep, I want to help you, or I want to sponsor you for that special education. So I was like, that was, I feel ki I have achieved something, right? The father who has not supported you that time, he is ready to support you for special education. So there was so much negativity that time between me and my father, because he took that decision, and he bring me to that discomfort zone. So maybe there was I was not mature enough to understand the logic behind what he wanted to do out of it. So after I got the maturity, I understand ki this was the way. Sometime you have to be with your child to make him fly, right? Make him jump or go to the next level. Obviously, it may not be applicable for each and every case, right? For my case, it worked. It may not work for the to the other people's life, right? So this is all about me, Vaishali.
Yes, Pradeep, very heart touching story. And yes, we can relate to it, because I have seen many people or parents who doesn't support their kids because they are not good in studies. They don't want to know that what their kids wants to do other than studies. So that is the very common problem I have seen. And then I would like to know that how did you connect it to supply chain? Like you told, you are now in supply chain. So how did you connect it? When was that click that came to you that you have to do something in that?
See, as I told you, there was no much. I have not completed my graduation and all, so I was exploring what are the other options available with me. So since I have done the 11th, so I was having a touch of accounts and all, right, trial balance and all. So while doing the odd job, I have worked with one CA, and wherein I came to know the how to do the trial balance, how to do the reconciliation and all. So I was having the basic understanding of accounts. So I was trying for the accounts job that time, and at that time, if you maybe the people at my time, they must be knowing there was a classified ad in the Times of India. There are so many ads regarding accounts and all. So I used to jot them all the walk-in interviews one by one, and I used to apply them, or do the walk-in, start from Churchgate with that same ticket and going to return direction. In a day I used to give the 4 5 interview, sometime more than that also. And I wanted to know what exactly is they wanted, what is the area I need to improve, and what exactly they need. So what I realized, for one accounts job, one single job, there are 40 or 50 people are applying, and some of the people are already done their graduation, and they have some experience in mind. So I thought this is not the area I will be able to crack, or I will be able to get some jobs. So what are the other areas is available in that classified? So there are some small column like logistic and purchase and logistic column was there. There are hardly 2 3 opportunity were reflecting in that every time. I thought, why don't I try that? Because they are also want the people from the commerce background. So I thought of trying those area, and luckily I got a opportunity as a trainee in one of the uh, computer education company, wherein I am supposed to manage their supervise their or manage their store for computer stores and all, right? So that's how accidentally I get into this domain, and I pursue this as my career. This has become my passion over the period, so you can say that. But yes, obviously, this is not what I wanted to do in my life. But really, I don't know what was in that time, at that age, I what exactly I wanted to do in my life. But one thing I wanted to say here, uh, maybe I by God grace I didn't fail that time. I have got courage, and I have done some odd job, and I done the hard work, each and every organization and reached to this level. May not be every person or every people or the student will be able to do this. So sometimes we need to understand the mentality of the person, why exactly that lower score is there. So when I connect that with my child's, I have a girl daughter, she's a last year in commerce. I have a son who's in seventh standard now. So whenever there is a low grade, so I give a try to understand what exactly is the reason they are not able to get the uh, desired result or the mark. What exactly? Because I feel whatever I went through, maybe they are experiencing the same issues or not. So we need to give, as a parent, we need to give that try and see what exactly is happening in their life. Sometimes they may not be wanted to, they may not be having interest about the education, but they have something else in their mind. So why can't we give them a try? Let's try that, right? And see if you can grow in that area. Maybe they are interested in arts, maybe they are interested in singing or dancing or something else. So why can't they pursue their career in that? Because I feel if we have an interest in that area, you will be able to justify what you are doing, right? Instead of falling into something accidentally and take up that as your career, is what I feel.
Yeah, exactly, Pradeep. I too agree with you because sometimes what happens, we just choose something else and we are interested in something else, like suppose singing or any dancing or anything, and we won't be able to continue that. So somewhere it feels very bad, we'll be feeling guilty and we won't be able to work when we will be doing some job in future. So I think that is the very important, it's very important that for parents to support their child when it comes that the such situation comes. Yeah, so
Correct.
very correct. Yeah. What do you think? Like, the situation has changed now when you see that time and now. What is the difference you see, or it has it changed, or it is same? What do you feel?
I feel this is my situation is the same. I feel if whenever the students are uh, going out from the SSC to the next level, they will definitely have that issue. They're not able to resonate the activity which is happening in the college and all, right. So they are not able to communicate there. So that is the one more issue I feel. So communication is important, and practicing the speaking in English is also important. I understand in very later stage in my life, which I feel even that lesson needs to be learned in college and in school to the students, so that they can confidently go and explore the area coming their way.
Yeah, definitely. We should look after to build their confidence and when it comes to communication skills. Yeah, very true. How do you support your kids now? Like, what stage you are your kids at, and like how do you support them in these all these things?
Correct. So, I am telling them to complete their education. That is one, but I also want them to pursue their interests. Like my daughter, she's passionate about the culinary activities, the food and all. So, my wife is very good cook, and she is taking the learning from her. And she has her own channel, Zoe Askai Special. She has created her own channel wherein the cooking is done. She is doing the recording and all, and she's putting in the audio and all. And very nicely she is doing that. She has got 600 plus subscriber very short time, which is the good. But if she want to pursue her career in that, so why can't, right? If she has an interest in a food, and she, so what I told her, if you have an interest in food, try to build your own brand first, right? Let your build your follower first. Let the people understand who is Zui, what is Zui Haskell special as, and all. And after that, you can try explore the area what you want to do in your life. So I am supporting definitely her. I'm not making her only focus on education. Other than that, if she has any other interest, I am trying to see if she can give time for that also. Similar to my son also, he wants to do something on the gaming and all. So I thought, let's give a try. They should not having a regret like I want to do something in that area and my parents had not supported that time. That's why I'm not able to grow. Whether they will succeed or they will not succeed is a different area. But we should give them a try and then see whether you will be able to do it or not. So we should, as a parent, we should support of if they have any interest area in their life.
Definitely. Very good to know. I'm like very grateful to know that you are supporting your kids from this age and they have their YouTube channel and you are supporting them very well. So, really, everyone can't do it. Like, every parent doesn't have this mentality to support their kids when it comes to social media, especially and YouTube. They think that, yeah, it is a waste of time, or they use it for like other things. So but if we guide them properly, so
Correct.
they can walk on correct path, what I feel. And you are doing that very well, so I'm like amazed to know that and hear that from you.
Yeah, see, if we are able to use the social media right way, it is a right tool to use, right? And they are not wasting their time. They are creating the content. They are the director. They are the creating the content. So creating content is different, and just scrolling and looking at the content is different. So I think they are doing the good thing. And the second advantage is that na, they are able to face the camera in very early age, which I am not able to do. I was very camera shy. I was very cautious when it comes to the camera and all, right? So they are so confident when they are doing the recording their videos, they are doing their vlog and all. So I was like hats off to them. Even as a father, I am not able to do those tasks, and they are able to do that very flawless. So it is good to see that.
Yeah, true. There is a lot. There are a lot many things we can learn from our kids, and they are way forward than us. You have the experience. You can learn from them, and
Yeah, they are giving me the lessons how to face a camera, in what position you should keep, and what are the ways you should do, and what are the technique and some of the technical things I used to get from my son who is in seventh standard. So
yeah,
I
exactly.
mean, I have not created my YouTube channel, but they at this age they have their own YouTube channel. So it is like a proud feeling for me. They are doing
Yeah,
something. Uh, they are not wasting time. They're something doing something for their life.
yeah, really great to know, and yeah, keep supporting them. Uh, so before going, would you like to give some advice to parents who doesn't support their kids basically, and for kids also, that if they face such problems or anything, they should whom they should discuss, and how should be the communication between parents and their kids, like.
Yeah, so with my experience, like I was having a two minds. One, I got the discomfort, and with that discomfort, I grew in my life, and so my one mind say, should I be given the same discomfort to my kids so that they can grow in my life? And my second mind, it tells me no, Pradeep, you have got the discomfort. Some way, somehow you have sailed through and you have reached that position. It's not every person is not same, right? Every person has a different personality. They have a unique for themselves, right? So it's not like it is it has been a positive for me. It is not necessary it has been a positive to them. It could have been a negative to them also. So I feel as a best practice we should support the child what they want to pursue in their life. Of course, we need to do the coaching. We need to keep on guiding them. What exactly is what are the advantage of what they are doing? What are the disadvantage of what they are doing? And accordingly, we can ask them to take a call what they are supposed to do then in their life.
Yes, that guidance is very much important these days. And thanks for sharing your story and your word of advice, for giving your word of advice to we were watching us. So thank you so much, Mr. Pradeep, for joining us today. And it was great to hear your personal story and how you have grown till now. So it was really great to know about you. So thank you so much for joining today.
Yeah, it was my pleasure, Vaishali, to give something to value to these efforts what we are putting in. I understand this is a great job you are doing, and you are doing some value addition. You know what are the pain areas students are going through, what are the psychological between the parents and student at that stage, and how we can educate the parents or the we can coach the student how to sail through in that situation. So hats off to you.
Thank you so much. Means a lot. I will definitely try my best to make them aware and help them in whatever ways I can. And definitely in future, I would like to conduct session with your kids to know their views. So looking forward
Yeah,
to talk to
definitely.
them.
Definitely. You will find them more confident than me how I'm facing the camera.
Yes, yes, yes. You will be also confident by that time.
I'm
So,
trying my best.
by looking to your kids and what you are doing, you are also doing great in your area. Yeah, so keep doing and keep supporting your kids and keep inspiring us and keep inspiring other parents also around you. And yeah, it was great talking to you. Thank you so much again for joining today. So, have a great day and bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.